I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. Alright, you guys, today we're gonna be talking about the Travis Scott Reese's Puffs cereal. Retail was fucking expensive, but you know, we're gonna eat this. If we get 100 likes on this video, we are gonna record ourselves eating this whole box. And we don't know if it's gonna taste like a regular Reese's Puffs, but this is the most expensive cereal in the world that exists today, in my opinion. So let's get straight to the review. When you order the cereal, it comes with this plastic container, and I'm gonna lift it up to show you guys here. Basically, just like a flap here and a flap on the back, and you just like put it on till they both stick together. And the same for the bottom part too. It's like it opens up in half like that. Alright, enough of the box. Let's get to the main part of the box. Right here, the cereal box. Travis Scott Cactus Jack spoon. His tattoos, his pants, his cactus, his lightning storm, and some of his logos on here. Really cool design. Small little detail here is that it actually expires on May of 2020. So we have like less than a year to consume this. Side of this box brought to you by Cactus Jack. There's like just nutrition facts, nothing too important here. But yeah, generic messages. Let's see the bottom. Bottom is basic. Really basic, not important. But we go to the back here. You have an Astro World. Wish you were here. Reese's Puffs are like rising up. This thing's rising up, this thing's rising up, this thing's rising up. And there's like a map of Astro World. Really interesting. It has like some of his like songs listed out here. It's really hard to tell, but you have like Rip Shrew, Sickle Mode, Stargazing, Carousel. Really nice detail. But yeah, like I said, this is just a regular Reese's Puffs box with branding on it, and it came out to like around $60 to $70 shit. It also came with a spoon and a bowl that were really cheap, and they're going for like really high right now. It's like 3 or 4 times profit. And these things sold out in like 3 minutes, freaking fast. It was crazy. Like, people were kind of hesitant to buy this, but you know, we have it here in hand right now, and we're gonna eat it if we get 100 likes. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time. Peace.